Hey everybody, 𝐑𝐞𝐥𝐚 with Ethos Care today, introducing a brand new product for us, and that is our Foam Cannon Pro version 2. Our Pro V2 foam cannon is better than ever. We made some improvements on our first version. That means more suds and easier user experience for our customers, as well as a more durable and longer lasting product. So let me show you some of the key improvements we made on our brand new foam cannon. Now, we designed this brand new from the ground up with our detailers and enthusiasts in mind. We wanted to create a really high performance foam cannon that was durable, ergonomic, and effective, as well as a beautiful high quality design. So we started with all new brass fittings, which means that this is chemical resistant as well as very durable. So you don't have to worry about the unit prematurely aging or failing on you. The entire foam cannon comes with a full 1-year warranty. So if anything does happen to it, just get in contact with us and we'll get it fully covered. And we have a new adjustment foam nozzle. Now this, you can refine as much foam as you want, from a little bit to a lot. This will help you fine tune what works best for your application. In addition, we have a 360-degree nozzle. This will change the fan and the height of your spray pattern for how much foam you want to apply to the car. Once again, this is fully adjustable for your liking and for your application. The reservoir is completely new. This is a HDPE unit, which means this is chemical resistant, and 1.2 liters, so 40 ounces of solution. This will pre-mix with any type of foam soap out there, foam cannon soap. We do recommend our pure shampoo or our other shampoos as well that work really well with this foam cannon. And inside of this, in the dip tube, we've added a weighted ball. Now, the benefit of the weighted ball is so that when you're using the unit, you don't have any dry spots that are sucking up air into the foam solution. It's going to follow the gravity and the weight of the solution and suck up only soap for the best application experience. This will produce over 50% more foam per application compared to the competition out there, based on our unique technology we have in the foam cannon. So really gonna give you the best quality, the best design, and the best performance you'll find on the market, as well as our tried and true professional level quality from start to finish. So that's some features that we're looking for the foam cannon, and let me show you just how effective this unit is in application.